Hi guys, it's Wes from Trendy Startups. Today I'm going to show you how to turn off comments on Facebook. So guys, here I'm going to show you the very easy process to turn off comments on Facebook. So let's get started. So guys, to turn off comments on Facebook, you have to simply open your Google Chrome. Now type in search bar Facebook and simply press enter. Now simply click on first link Facebook login or sign up. So click on it. So guys, here you can see your Facebook homepage. So after that, you can see account option at the top right corner of the page. So simply click on account option. Now here you have to simply click on your profile. Guys, here you can see our profile. So this is the post. So for example, you want to turn off the comment of this post. So simply you can see three dots. So click on three dots. Now in three dots, you can see the option of who can comment on your post. So simply click on it. And here you can see three options: public, friends, profiles, and pages you mentioned. So currently it is selected as public. So to turn off comments, here you can see this option: profiles and pages you mentioned. So you have to simply check this option. So by this option, the only pages and the profiles you tagged with that post can only comment on that post, else no one can comment on that post. So there are no tags in my post, so no one can comment on my post. After that, simply click on done. And here you can see written, you are allowing profiles and pages that you mentioned to comment on this post. So guys, there you can see we have turned off comments on Facebook. So you can also turn off comments on Facebook by following this process that I have shown you step by step. I hope this information was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.